Hello everyone, so I'm back. So I'm here today to give you one little tip. Always look to try and maximise your space that you've got. Always look to try and maximise the value you've got. So that's two really instead of one. So maximising your space. I'm in a first floor flat at the moment. Let me show you exactly what we've done to maximise space. So this flat here, let me take you in. So originally this flat, its front door was here. A bit straight, but the door was literally on that step. You open the door and then you walk up to your flat. All we've done is taken out, this was all plasterboard, so you couldn't see this. It's a really good feature in the property. We've taken the plasterboard off, got them fireboard, and now we've moved the door from here, pulled it all the way along to there. So now we've created a nice long corridor. So from this side, you can literally see that's quite a big corridor. And the reason why it wasn't like that before was this flat behind me, the door was there. So what you had to do was walk out to that door in the communal hallway, then through this door into your living room, and then back out of this door through here to your kitchen. There was no flow. So you can imagine in the middle of the night, you're in bed, you want to go to the toilet, say in your underwear, you've got to walk out into the communal hallway, into your bathroom and kitchen area. It's not very good. So we've gone and boxed everything in, made it flow. So what you do now is you walk in your flat here, you turn right, and through there is the bathroom and kitchen. I'll show you that in a minute. You walk in, turn left. We've cut a hole through the wall here, a doorway, put steel in. It's a bit over-engineered, but we could have put concrete lintel, but we put steel in. We walk through there, and we've created 2 bedrooms. So let me walk you through. So this is where we've cut out. You go that way or this way. So behind me, you literally walk back into a doorway, and you've now got a really nice sized bedroom. I'll take you inside, so you can see it's a really nice size. We planned this out to put a double bed there. Already measured, works perfectly. And behind that wall, it's a stud wall. Same again, maximising the value. It's gone from a 1-bed flat that had no flow. Now it's got the flow, as you can see. This doorway, that's the front door, and then that's through to the kitchen. And then this is the 2nd bedroom. So let me take you in now. As you can see, this is again a really big 2nd bedroom. So you can imagine this would have been the big lounge, and then that way would have been the bedroom. So maximising the value. Can you actually get a 2nd bedroom in by reconfiguring the floor plan, maybe moving the bathroom, maybe just putting a stud wall in, or just maybe moving the front door? Because the front door was originally around that corner and it wouldn't work, well why not put a front door there? And now, where that way was the lounge, this is now the lounge. Now it's a big lounge area. And off the lounge, you've got 2 bedrooms there, kitchen, bathroom here. So let me walk you around now. All we're doing is, this is another cut through with the steel in. We walk down the corridor, which is here. We're going to go left, follow me around. So there we are, walk down to the left, down this corridor here, into the kitchen. So that's where we come around. The bathroom is just there, I'll show you shortly. So once again, making a really nice kitchen area here. It's going to be along here, along the back, and then down in the window area. Another thing we've done on this one, a bit of a trick, is this window is a lot bigger than what it seems. The window comes roughly down to there. But instead of changing the windows, the client doesn't want to on this one, because they're really nice windows, we've created a false windowsill. So what we've done, we've built this up, because can you imagine washing your dishes in here when your window height is there and your sink is high in the windowsill? Really what you want to do is have your windowsill higher than your sink, even if it's sort of 1 tile. At least you've got a bit of a splashback to stop the water going down into the window. So that's the kitchen, into the bathroom. Lights on yet, but you can see, there you go. So nice big bath, fully tiled. There'll be a shower screen over there. There'll be a toilet and sink over there. So yeah, quick hints and tips all about maximising your floor area and also trying to maximise the value. Can you get a second bedroom in your one bed flat? Hope that's helped. If you haven't already subscribed, click down below. It'd be great to hear from you soon.